I'm waiting for Blake for... No. And these are the gravy. Yes. Okay. Let's put the gravy up there. Let's open this here and wow. Look at the chicken nuggets. Whoa. It's actually so nice. Okay, this is actually our gravy here. I'm making videos with these things. Okay, this. Let's actually join this. And
some price?
Yes.
Konti-konti lang.
Kakasuka mo lang, Blake. Mamaya.
Leave some rice for Blake. Adam.
Then, kakasuka niya lang. Pwede mag-ano agad.
I'm going to leave you some fries here.
Wag na. Mamaya na. At kakaano lang yan.
I said one.
Wag na muna.
Mamaya na. Iiwanan ka na lang. He'll just leave you some later. He'll just give you some later. He won't finish it all.
I won't finish it.
100,000 nga daw yun.
Baba, I'm just going to eat one chicken nugget.
And then you ano. After you eat one, you tell them to subscribe na and then you finish.
Okay, need more fries here. I think I should eat only a little from the chicken nuggets.
Mamaya.
You can later.
Don't worry. You get half
Yes,
of
this is
everything.
actually chicken nugget here.
Pumot nga dyan. Pumot. Nagchichil to si Mokong. Ganyan pa hindi ko.
This is so crispy. Don't eat all of the chicken nuggets. They're my favorite.
Yes, you get half. Don't worry, you get half. You get half the price. You get half the
I'm going to
nuggets.
close this thing here. I'm going to save this for later.
Oh, you eat, you like, you tell them to, like, in some their videos.
Okay. I think let's leave it in the fridge.
Hindi lagay ni Mama sa fridge kasi titigas. She's gonna put some, it in a plastic and then she's just gonna put it there on the kitchen so that later when you're better, you can eat. So it's not cold when you eat. Kaya nga hindi kami, that's why we didn't eat outside because Kuya B wants to share the nuggets and the fries with you. Yan, diyan ka lang po. That's a tissue. Use that tissue. Sige, okay. Ano ka ng ano mo eh? Mag-ano ka ng warm water sa paa. I-ano yung paa niya para mawala yung mabawasan yung headache niya.
I need a cold bath.
No. Just some warm water on your feet so you can lessen the headache. So you will not have too much headache.
Don't eat all the fries.
No, he will leave you half.
Last one.
Last one. Then you tell them to subscribe.
Last one.
Balik mo yung iba.
Last
Later na,
three.
later. Sige na. You finish eating first.
Last thing here.
Tama na. That's enough. Puros ka doon sa tissue. Kunin mo. Sige, dapatin mo yung tissue. Use it like a towel. Sige, ganyan mo. Yan, oh. Sige lang. Akin, give me the tissue. Give me the tissue. Huwag mo gano'n. Give me the tissue. Ay, isa ko lang. Say, say it fine.
And this one, the last one.
Adam?
For sure.
You say na to you say subscribe to them.
Please like and subscribe.